What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the second video on the course Python for Blockchain Developers. I'm super happy, I'm pumped, and I'm ready to rock and roll with you guys. So in this video we'll be talking about the blockchain, talking about the programming language, we're talking about the tools that will be needed throughout this course. So sit tight and enjoy. So the first thing to do here is to talk about the blockchain. So what is a blockchain? A blockchain is a distributed database or ledger that is shared among nodes of a computer network. So as a database of blockchains, as a database, a blockchain stores information electronically in a digital format. So basically a blockchain is just an interconnection of different nodes, with each node containing information about the previous node. Okay, and the fun thing about the blockchain is that it is transparent. You can track everything. Everything is there. Blockchain is a public ledger for you to just come check and you're good to go. So the programming language you'll be using is Python. So Python is a high-level general purpose programming language. Python can be used for data science, can be used for web development, it can be used for game development, it can be used for blockchain development. Like, the programming language is wide and it is vast, okay, with a very good community online. So the next thing we're going to be checking out is a blockchain web API. So we'll be using Infura. So if you don't have an account yet with Infura, well, I guess you don't have an account yet, I would suggest you go down to infura.io, www.infura.io. So Infura is a very fantastic Web3 API that I use a lot. I use them a lot. So just go to the get started, create an account and create your account. So another Web3 API that we'll be using is called Moralis. So Moralis is also interesting. Like, I love it too. I use them a lot. So they even have testimonials from MetaMask, Lens, and other big companies. So if you don't have an account yet, you can also create a free account by clicking on this blue button here, and you are good to go. So now, the next thing is Ganache. So Ganache is a personal Ethereum blockchain, which you can actually use to test run and see how our smart contract behaves on the blockchain. So head over to trufflesuit.com. Okay, so I'm sorry, it is taking a while to load here. It's my network. Okay, it's loading up. So head over to this website, trufflesuit.com/Ganache. So once you are there, you will see this landing page. So if you are on Windows, you download for Windows, and if you are on a Mac, you download for your OS, basically. So once you download, this is how it looks like. I'm going to be showing you more about this in the course, so don't worry about it. Just go to this website and download Ganache. So we'll be using Ganache to send some ether and also receive some ether, just to mimic the blockchain, basically. So, and the last but not the least, that's the Web3 API that we'll be using to the Web3 Py rather. I'm very sorry. The Web3 Python library that we'll be using. So you can check out the docs here, web3py.readdocs.io, and you see that there are a lot of helpful things that you can actually use. So through the course of this tutorial, we will be going through the docs, learning together, and we'll be building together. Okay. So with that being said, to install the web3.py is just simple. Just go. Let me show you. So let me do it by the books. Okay. So is to just install, like using your pip install web3. So you can just come to the terminal. You can call it terminal if you're on Mac OS. You call it command line or PowerShell on Windows, and just pip install web3, and you press enter. I already have the web3.py library installed on my machine. So I'll be getting another message telling me the requirement already satisfied. So if you don't have it yet, so pip install web3 py. So pip install web3, and you should have it downloaded. So you get this message telling you that you have successfully installed the web3 library. So once you have that, then we are good to go. So stay tuned, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.